This is Jaeger playing with her kids. Being a good mommy. This little punk right here. That one, that's Thor. He's an asshole. That's my dog. That one right there would be Bella, Mario's dog. Oh, D-bag won't leave me the fuck alone. Get him. No, not me. Back up. No. Play with your dogs. Look at Bella going back at it. That's Eve. That fat ass is the biggest biznitch in the litter. No, actually, it's the proper term. I can say bitch. So handsome one is the one Billy wants. Notice the tail is wagging, everybody. This is what mother pit bulls do. That's the one Jolene wants, right there. Jolene, that is the one you want. Look at that handsome guy right there, huh? That one, and that one are the only two available boys. Pretty sure everyone else has been spoken for. Come on, action! Action! Come towards me. We'll resume this another time.